Good day and welcome back to Tommy's Tiny Trailer Shop. Today I want to go over another addition that we made to the Sprinter chassis motorhome. And today we added this black tank flusher. You can see we installed it in the side of the black tank up there. Now fortunately on this particular motorhome we can get to the black tank simply by removing the mud flap. And it was fairly easy to access right through the hole in this frame rail. And we could easily drill the hole and mount the black tank flusher right in, and then we ran the hose to the other side of the coach. Now this is on the passenger side or right side, and of course the drain outlet is over on the left, the driver's side. So fortunately the hose that came with this kit was long enough to reach over there, and we just ran it over across the frame rails. We'll take a walk to the other side. And it comes out right here. I know some people may look at that and say, why did you mount that on such an odd angle? Well, the fact is, here on this particular coach, we only have this thin piece here to mount this to. So we had to kind of turn it, or we had to make up another bracket. I didn't think it was necessary to really make another bracket. So we just mounted it like this. Still very easily accessible, not in the way of our jack. Now our jacks are motorized, but even still, if you'd have to manually lower it or raise it, you can still get the handle in there to do so. Of course, our drain valves are still easily accessible. And of course, it's right here where you need it, because you need to hook up to this whenever you're flushing out your black tank. So right here it is. Right here's our convenient sewer hose holder that we installed. I have another video that'll show you the installation of that. So anytime you're doing something like this, just be careful of these hoses. Don't run them across sharp edges underneath your frame. And if you would have to go across a sharp edge, they make all kinds of little edge protectors. Even the kind that go on the edge of your door of your car can also help cover up a sharp edge. But anything like that to help cover a sharp edge so that the vibration won't cut through this hose. This hose is it's nice, but you know, with some vibration across a sharp metal edge, why, it's going to wear through. So, and you don't want to have that happen. So this was the installation of our black tank flusher, and once our silicone dries, we'll give it a try out tomorrow, but we should be okay. Then thanks for watching.